Hello, Concept Renovations. This is Bryce. I'm with Little Big Marketing. I believe you just spoke with my colleague Mark about creating an SEO attack plan and explaining a little bit more about how you can drive more leads and traffic to your website from Google. So real quick, I just wanted to go over your website and GMB listing and show you a few competitors to explain how SEO works, how Google decides whose website goes on top, and the opportunity you have in your area to get a lot more leads. But first off, I wanted to say your website looks really nice. I mean, having these professional photos of kitchens and bathrooms really, makes you guys look top quality, which is awesome for converting traffic. So great job on that. One thing I do notice though is there's not a whole lot of content, as in like words on the page, that talk about what your services are and where you're located. Google, they need to know what your business is about in order to show your website to other people who are searching for you. So if you look for another competitor, bathroom remodeling, Encino, California, or actually let's do just LA, California for even bigger websites, and find any of these websites that are a local one. 1 Week Bath, it's probably a competitor, I think. You'll probably see that there's a lot more content and specific keywords that they're trying to rank for inside of the actual content. So this website is huge, holy cow. But you can see all of the different service pages they have, and they're talking about the different services they do and trying to include these type of keywords, bathroom remodeling, inside of the content of the website. Bathroom model. Yeah, bathroom remodeling all over the place. So that's the first step. Usually in ranking a website, you need to add more content that's enriched with keywords inside of the actual content of the site, and oftentimes make more service pages as well. You'd want to make a service page for bathroom remodeling, kitchen remodeling, exterior remodeling, and then have content about each one of those services on their own individual pages instead of just the photos. The next thing after you do that, you need to make sure that the on-page SEO is good. That would be like making sure your website loads quickly, you have something called schema code, making sure all the images are labeled correctly, all sorts of other technical stuff that we can definitely help you with. You already have a little bit of schema, which is good, and it looks like your page speed isn't horrible, but could definitely be improved. So that's some other areas we could help improve you. The last thing that is really, really important for ranking your website is getting something called backlinks. So this is your current website's statistics according to this tool, Ahrefs, which kind of just tells us how your website is ranking, how much traffic is coming to it. According to this, you're only getting a few traffic every month, 2 to 3, and these are the keywords that you're ranking for. If you compare that to one of these websites, the larger ones, oh, I already have this one up, but oneweekbath.com, you can see the opportunity. So these are the ones you're ranking for currently. Renovation Inc. It's not really a specific keyword you want to rank for. Remodel CA, all of California. So I don't see anything about Renovation Los Angeles. That's a pretty good keyword. But definitely Google doesn't know exactly that you do bathroom remodeling, kitchen remodeling, because there's nothing about that in the keywords that you're ranking for. And you probably want to be ranking, including your specific location. Maybe try and rank for, what is the city you're in? Encino first, and then move on to rank more of Los Angeles over time. But yeah, if you look at these keywords in this competitor, they're getting 1,800 traffic per month, which is amazing. Even if only 10% of the traffic and people who visit their website become a lead, that's still 180 different leads a month just from their website and having it properly SEO optimized and ranking. So Los Angeles bathroom remodeling, look at that. That's a great keyword. This one gets searched 200 times every single month, and they're ranked number 2 for it. So they're getting an average of 72 people every single month to click on their website. So if we made a page with this, just like they do, and then ranked for it, we would be able to steal some of that traffic and some of those leads. Bathroom remodel Los Angeles, another great keyword, 300 search traffic a month. And this column right here is how competitive it is. Notice they're all green. That means it's not super competitive, which is kind of surprising because Los Angeles is such a big city. But usually if it's under 10, it doesn't take that long to rank for. Bathroom remodeling Orange County. These are all great keywords, and we could totally redesign your site, add some of these keywords to the content, and then rank it. The other thing, aside from the on-page SEO, like I was saying earlier, is doing something called backlink building. So a backlink, I can just show you some examples of the competitors and your own from this tool. But essentially, it's your website being linked to or talked about on other websites on the internet. So right now you have 34 backlinks from 18 different websites. That's not very many. And it doesn't matter how many you have. It's more about how trusted they are and how strong they are. If they're backlinks from websites that aren't about remodeling or home improvement or Los Angeles, your location, if they're not relevant to your business, then Google's going to ignore them and it's not going to help you rank. But if you have backlinks from directories like Home Advisor, Yelp, those are good backlinks. Website ranksite.com. These are some of the backlinks you have currently. Auto Site Checker. I'm not sure who made these backlinks for you, but they're not doing a ton right now to help rank your website. If you compare that to this competitor, oneweekbath.com, you can see some of the types of backlinks they have. And there's lots of different kinds of backlinks. There's press releases where you're getting put in your article in different news websites that link to you. There's directories and citations, which also help rank your Google business listing. I can tell you a little bit more about those later on. And then there's guest posting, where we write an article and then somebody else posts it for us and links back to us. All of these different ways to get Google to recognize what your website is about and make it realize that your website is more important than the other websites, so that it will rank you higher and allow you to get more traffic. But these guys have a lot of really good relevant websites. Architecturedesigns.com, HomeDit, impressive interior design. So it's a lot of things about interior designing, bathrooms, realtor, BBB. Those are all relevant to their industry. Remodeling.hw. These are the type of backlinks we would try to copy if we were to do SEO work on your website. We'd go to each one of these websites and see if we can also get a backlink to point towards your site to rank you as well. Didn't want to go too long, but just real quickly, I wanted to show you one more thing. So let's just go to Google again. Bathroom remodeling LA. So in Google, oops, it's showing. Just a second, let me change my location. Okay, I just changed my location. So when you search into Google kitchen remodeling or bathroom remodeling Los Angeles or any other location, the first thing that shows up is these Google guaranteed ads. And then there's the Google ads, Google Map, and the search results, the websites. So I was only talking about ranking the website earlier, but actually in our packages, most of the time we do all of them. We try to set up your Google guaranteed ads where you pay for every single lead that you get. We can rank you in the map pack for your Google business profile, and we can rank your website. If you're able to get all three of them, or even four if you decide to run these PPC ads as well, then you can get even more leads from every single search that comes on Google. So this Google guaranteed one, you set up the profile, you pass the background check, and submit your insurance to show that you're a legit company, and you pay for every single time you get a call or a message lead. Is a really, really good one, especially for home remodeling right now, because not as many home remodeling companies are on the platform yet. They don't know about it. So it's become a really lucrative way to get leads at this time in 2023. Then Google Maps as well. Our SEO package always ranks and focuses on Google Maps. There's a lot of different things we try to do to rank it, including getting citations, directory listing made for your business, helping you get more reviews, posting on your GMB, uploading photos, all sorts of things that Google wants to see to know that you're a legit business that can service the people in your area. Anyways, I hope this video is helpful for you to understand a little bit more about how SEO works, the potential to be able to get a lot more leads for your business, and hopefully we can work something out to be able to help each other in the near future. Thank you.